here with a new video. This video is exciting because today I am going to be pranking Courtney. Babe, you had this coming. You knew it. Hi guys, what's up? It's Kaveen here, and guess what guys, I am here with a prank video. That's right, Majestic Squad, I am here with a prank video. This is a prank on my fiance Courtney. We recently got engaged, and yeah, so you know what I'm saying, I told him to expect this. You know what I'm saying, I was going to turn up the spice. So Majestic Squad, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. All right, make sure you subscribe. Don't be watching and not subscribed. So I'm gonna prank him today, and the prank that I'm going to do is called the lyric prank. So guys, I think the song that I'm going to use is Cherish Unappreciated. Basically we were speaking earlier, and I have this habit of like watching a video and then the whole the thing cuts off, but I didn't call him back, so, and he hasn't called me back either, so that is a reason for me to text him this. I gotta see if he's online first. He has to be online. He's probably gonna ask me really something. Knowing my boyfriend, he's gonna say something. He's gonna pretty much call me. He's not gonna text. All right, so I'm gonna text him first. I'm gonna text him, babe, just to start it off. Oh no, it's one tick. Shit, which means he's probably not online. Damn you, this is bad. I need him to be online. I knew something was wrong once he didn't call me back. We gotta try this again, y'all. It's on one tick. That's no good. So guys, clearly that was an epic fail, so now I'm gonna have to try again later. My camera seemed to be giving me the worst situation ever. Guys, so guess what? Courtney just caught, like, after not getting him for the longest while, I think his Wi-Fi was out or something like that, he just called me. So I'm going to text him, and I'm gonna use Cherish. What am I saying? Cherish Unappreciated. So I'm gonna text him now, and I'm gonna let him. Okay, screen recording is on. And I'm gonna text, I'm feeling really unappreciated. Now he gonna get, bet he's gonna call me. Like, knowing my boyfriend, he is going to, knowing my fiance, he's gonna call me. That's just how I'm roll, like, always trying to call people. Come on, no tick yet. Come on, babe. Why are you taking so long? Oh yeah, he read. Oh God, he's like, what are you doing? I'm gonna text it again. I'm feeling really unappreciated. You're taking my love for granted, babe. I don't, he's like, stop being crazy. I don't know how much more I can take from you. He sent me the whatever face. We're talking about stop being crazy. Ain't nobody crazy. He's FaceTiming me. Guys, oh God, what's the rest of the lyrics? He said, babe, what happened? So you don't, oh God, I'm gonna decline him. You don't do the things you used to do. You don't even say I love you too.
What's wrong with you, baby?
I'm feeling really unappreciated, babe.
Me, I talk. I cut off the phone now, damn boy business.
Babe, I'm feeling really unappreciated.
I'm sorry if you feel unappreciated, babe.
You're taking my love for granted.
Let me try to get it there. This girl going to quote it to me.
Babe, stop. Why would you know that? Do you watch YouTube? Huh?
With the big ass head.
Stop being stupid right now.
Hmm?
Why couldn't you just get it? Huh?
Yeah.
Guys, obviously this one know about too much of a prank. I'm so annoyed. Why does he know these things? But babe, you've been pranked. You've been pranked. Why is it so hard to prank you? Why is it so hard to prank him?
Huh?
Why is it so hard to prank you?
Come on, you can't prank me with telling the full sitting.
Babe, do you know the song though?
I mean, you know it's like,
Ew, that's so rock that you know the song.
yeah.
How the hell do you know that song?
What?
Sing a recite, let me hear. Oh, my knees.
Yeah, taking my love for granted. I don't know how much more I can take from you.
Babe.
I feel really unappreciated.
You stupid right now.
Me stupid.
Mad stupid, dude. How would you just guess? I need a guy that doesn't know any of these songs. You've been blocked. Bye-bye. Guess what, babe? Majestic Love Surge.
Peace, girl.
It's only 5 minutes. Why is it only 5 minutes? Okay. Bye, guys. Subscribe, comment, like, and share.